Out a video in a couple days, probably since right after we got back from that last install, which was in New Jersey, I believe. I can't even remember. I can't even keep track of my days anymore. But we've done 9 installs, 9 big custom tiki bars so far. And let me show you what we have going on now. Now there's Melissa hard at work building bar stools. See, look at that look. That's the same look I get every day when she walks in here. Or better yet, when I walk in here. It's like the look of death.
You make me sound so mean, Kevin, and I'm not really that mean.
Really? Really, Melissa? She's not really that mean. Maybe a little, but not much. But anyway, she's working on the bar stools. But let me show you what we have going on here. We have yet another bar. This is bar number 10 in, what, 3 months that I've built. It's, oh my God, it's insane. But anyway, this is the Michigan bar. This is an 8x8. Similar to the other ones. I just put the shelf on, so we got very little to do yet. I have to make the doors and make the footrest, and then this one's completely done. This gets an ice bin. There's the cutout for the ice bin, and that mini fridge goes there. And same as the other ones, it gets stereo, TV, ceiling fan, and electric up in the roof. So this one's just about done, and like I said, we're going to Shelby Township, Michigan on this one. And as soon as this one's done, we're building another one. I have to build another 8x8 custom red cedar tiki bar. That's for you, Scott Esterly. Oh, this gets a 12x12 roof on it, and this roof's a little different. This is going to be, they want an A-frame roof, so this is getting an A-frame thatched roof, where most of my roofs are all four-sided. So the guys are out in Western PA picking up all my lumber now. So, and one other thing, the next bar we have is exactly like this, except it gets a 12x12 four-sided roof. There's a bunch of stool tops. That's what they look like when we first get them in. All it is a log cut down to 4 to 5 inches. And those are our bar stool tops. Some more over there, making a lot of bar stools. So the next project after this one, we're heading to Illinois, right on the border of Missouri. So it has been unbelievable here, unstoppable for that matter. We have just been, it's been insane. So there's our pile of palms. We have about 50 palms left, and we are completely out of palms again. We've gone through well over 12,000 palms in the last 3 months, and got to order some more, got to get some more up here. So this is going to be my last batch of palms. So if anybody's in need of palms, you need to get in touch with me ASAP, because I'm bringing them in next week, and then that's going to be it for the season. Unless, you know, a big giant bar comes in. But going to start working on bar number 11 next week. So I don't know where summer went, but this is crazy. I've had 4 days off since the end of March, which is good. This is a good season. So we're all having fun. We're all going to be heading to Michigan next week to deliver this. And like I said, as soon as we get back, we are out to Illinois as soon as I build another one of those. So all the roofs, if you guys remember, all the roofs that were out here, those are all gone. And Scotty's got to build 2 more. So when they get back with all this lumber, I think maybe on Friday, tomorrow, I'll have him start a couple more roofs. So, all right, well, that's it for now. I will be making another video shortly. I am, however, taking off tomorrow afternoon till Monday morning. It is my birthday weekend, so I am heading to the shore to get away from here for a couple days, and then I'll be back Monday to give it hell once again. So, from Tiki Kev's Tiki Bars, the best custom builder of tiki bars ever, Tiki Kev out.